Hey, things are moving and shaking here at Goodegg Investments. And this week I wanted to share with you a story that really gets at the heart of why we do the work that we do. A couple of weeks ago, I had the opportunity to visit one of the markets we're investing in, which is Huntsville, Alabama. I got to visit a few of the properties, and in particular, one experience really stuck out to me. We were at this apartment complex and we were talking to some of the residents and the property manager, and they were all talking about this one lady who had been living in her unit for over 20 years. Now, she was an elderly woman and she was starting to develop dementia. Her children would only visit her about once a month, so you can imagine she was pretty lonely the rest of the month, or she could be rather. But what has happened is the community there has really rallied behind her, and they're working together to cook her meals, to bring her meals, to take her to her appointments, and really to put their arms around her to keep her in the home that she loves for as long as possible. So it's really stories like this and experiences like this that we hope and aim to enable with the investments that we make in these communities.